Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ProArt display. So friend, ASUS unveiled the ProArt Display PA24ACRV at 23.8-inch WQHD LCD design specifically for creators, and the display boasts a factory calibration that ensure color accuracy to less than delta E2 before it even reaches the factory, guaranteeing precise and consistent color representation. The LCD panel features an IPS panel with an impressive 95% DCI P3 coverage. Furthermore, it complies with high dynamic range standards such as HDR10, VESA DisplayHDR 400, providing creators with the ability to work on videos and images with clarity free from overexposed highlight or over-secured shadows. And key specifications include a swift 5 millisecond response time, 75Hz refresh rate, peak brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square, and standard brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, 1000:1 contrast ratio, color palette supporting 16.7 million color prods, 178-degree viewing angle, both horizontally and vertically. Connectivity options are comprehensive with interface like USB Type-C into 1, DisplayPort 1.4 into 2, HDMI 2.0 and USB hub with 3 ports, as well as earphone jack and USB Type-C interface support power supply up to 96 watt. And for audio, the display is equipped with dual 2-watt speaker. The stand is versatile, offering tilt adjustment from -5 to 23 degrees, 5 from -30 to 30 degree, 5 from -90 to 90 degree, and height adjustment from 0 to 130 mm. Additionally, VESA mount compatible with the 100 by 100 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.